guys, welcome back to another drone flight of One True Legend. Today we are in Upper Edmonton in the London Borough of Enfield. So without further ado, let's take off. So just going to go up to the max height and do a 360-degree photo. So just going to go up to the max height. I just done a drone flight in Enfield town and now I'm here. I've done a drone flight in Edmonton Green, which is the station next to here, but now I'm flying in Upper Edmonton, near Silver Street station. So, and I thought it was not going to be sunny, but it looks like it's still sunny. So I decided let's carry on. Let's use our second battery. Although this is not solar powered, it's charged off the grid, but you know, it is what it is. It's a good, still decent sunny day. Pretty much no winds. You can't go wrong. As soon as I said that, a gust just came. Alright, 360-degree photo is now complete. We're now going to zip around this area. So, what's down here? This is the little junction over here. Let's just get a shot of that. Do want to get a shot of that tower over there. Let's go to that tower. Nice little shot. We're near where we've flown before as well. There's an IKEA down there and there's a Costco further down the area. Let's get a shot on top of this tower. Look at that. Sick shot. Let's get a shot on top of that tower. I just want to see what's on top of here. So you got some stuff on top of there. We don't really have solar panels on there. Let's explore this area down there. Let's go a bit down. Towards the Lidl. Where should we get a shot of? Let's get a shot of this area down there. Let's go to the other side. I want to go to the other side. Let's see what's on the other side. Walk over there. So that we get a nice shot of it. Right, you can see right over there. Nice shot. What have we got over here? Got solar panels on top of here as well. What building is that? That's a sick shot. What's in this area? Let's go down towards this area. What we'll do, we'll go over towards down here. What's in this area? We've got a park right over here. I was gonna take off the park, but I thought there's more stuff in this area, and we're close to we would be close to where we flew before as well. So I thought let's fly in a completely entirely new place. So let's get a shot on top of this building. We've got a road over here. Silver Street Station. Nice little shot. Let's go down towards this area down there. Look at that. Should we follow that bus? Let's follow that bus down there. I want to go to the south side. So we'll go to the south side. See what's down the street. Look at that, we'll go towards, over there, we're going towards Tottenham, that area. Let's get a shot, nice shot of that. So we'll do, we'll come back towards Lidl. And we'll go to the other side, we'll go to where the go down towards this building. So, get a shot of this area down there. The wind's blowing. There's a bit of wind. We're moving so slowly, it's unbelievable. Right, the wind's subsided now. We're actually moving 1 mile an hour. I think that's because we're moving sideways. If we were moving forward, we would not be getting that problem.
I need to get round to it, you know. I want to do it online. Hopefully I'll do it.
So that's towards where I did a drone flight before, Edmonton Green. I don't know what to call this drone flight, Silver Street or Edmonton. I have no idea, but what I want to do now, I want to go towards the other area. Let's go towards down there. Alright, let's go down towards this area down there. Looks like there's a industrial area down here. Let's see what's in this area. What's down there? Looks like there's a construction stuff here. It's a construction site in this area. Look at that. Very interesting. See, the drone's moving slow because of the wind. It's a scrapyard, I think. We saw something like that when we flew in Boston Manor. Really interesting. Let's just stay here for a second. I just want to. Quite interesting to get a shot of that. Alright, let's just carry on getting our drone shots. We'll just go somewhere else now. A lot of solar panels on top of there. Towards this area down here. What other shots can we get? Let's get a shot of the A406, which is just over in this area. Let's get a shot of this area down there. North side. Yeah, I'm north side now, so let's get a shot of this bus going in this area. What we'll do, we'll go in sports mode and we'll follow the A406. Look at that, sick shot. Nice shot of sunny Silver Street. Go towards this area. What we'll do, we'll turn around and go this way. Trying to get as smooth a shot as possible, but it's quite hard because the wind is like making it slower. Let's go faster. Let's speed up. So we've got similar speeds as traffic. Our battery is we're gonna land it in a minute because our battery is gonna die in a second. Look at that. Then we'll do come towards this area down here. It looks like there's roadworks happening in there, in this area. Alright, we're gonna land drone now. Let's get a final shot of Silver Street and just land. Look at that. I could have even taken off from there, but I thought here was better. Alright, let's just land the drone now in this area. All alright, so that was my amazing drone flight here in Upper Edmonton, the London Borough of Enfield. I hope you enjoyed this drone flight of mine, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.